Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Kalia. Today I have a really fun, vibrant pink look for you guys. It was actually inspired by the Masquerade mini palette from Juvia's place, and that's the palette I'm using today. So starting off, I'm using the shade BORI, which is a nice sparkly pink shade, and I'm just layering that all over my eye using an Ulta Beauty eyeshadow brush. I'm being careful not to go too far up, so I'm just placing it exactly where I want it to be, which is just on the lid for now. Now you see me just blending out the edges using a Morphe M513 brush. Now I'm using that same exact brush to place the color where I want it to be, which is not too far above the crease. And I am winging this shadow out. Next, I'm going into the shade ZOBO, which is a dark pink, almost purple shade. I'm just using this to deepen up the outer V, nothing more than that. I want this shade to still remain that nice vibrant pink, but I did want to add a little bit of depth. And I am using a Morphe M33 brush. Next, you see me going into the shade DALIA, which is a nice sparkly blue, and I'm using a bent, angled liner brush from Aesthetica just to place that as a wing liner. Also, I sprayed it with some MAC Fix Plus so that way the blue stays true to its color and does not turn purple. Now you see me going over it using a bent liner brush from Morphe, and this is just easier because it's more firm and more precise, so that way I can get my eye exactly how I want it. Next, I'm using the shade Molly, which is a pretty green. It's sparkly as well, and I'm placing that just on the inner corner of my eye. I'm not worried about blending it out right now. I'm just trying to place it exactly where I want to be and careful of not messing up like I just did. Now you see me blending it out, and I'm just using a clean brush from Real Techniques, and it's a shading brush. And you see me fixing up that mistake I made earlier now, just using some new eyeshadow. Now I'm just placing more color down so that way the color stays true to itself and it's not just blended into oblivion. Next, I'm putting some mascara on my eyes, and I'm using the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And I'm going in with some eyelashes from Kiss, and these are Teddy. Now I'm adding back some more blue. And going under my eye, I'm using the same blue shade I did with this brush again with the MAC Fix Plus. And I'm being careful not to give myself raccoon eyes, and I'm just placing that under my lash line. Now I'm going over the bottom lashes with the same mascara. And as you can probably tell, I started to feel myself, so that's the completed eyeshadow look. I did finish off the look using some Smashbox lipstick. It's their Be Legendary lipstick in the shade Bombastic. And I used some Ipsy long lasting liquid lipstick as a liner, and it's just a little bit deeper than the actual lipstick shade itself. And I also did some faux freckles, added a little bit of Juvia's Place highlighter. I used the Nefertiti shade in their loose highlighter. And that is the final look, you all. Thank you so much for staying tuned for my video. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. Like this button if you found this video enjoyable, and leave me a comment below with any questions, concerns. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.